welcome to my YouTube channel Lost Born Coder, where we explore the exciting world of web development and design. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create stunning animated buttons using HTML and CSS only. There will be no use of JavaScript. In this video, we will be creating another three animated buttons, which are border wave animation, neon burst animation, and gradient fade animation. These buttons are not only eye-catching but also add an interactive element to your web projects. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, you will find this tutorial valuable. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of web animation. If you find this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts and questions. With your support motivates me to create more tutorials like this. But before we start, remember that all the codes I will be using in this tutorial will be available on my Medium blog. You can find the link in the video description below. But before we start coding, let's take a quick look at what we will be creating in this video. As I have already told you, we will be designing three types of animated buttons. One is border wave, second one is neon burst, and third one is gradient fade. Each button will have its unique animation when hovered over. Hovered over animations are only implemented on the first button and the last button. And the second button, the animation of second button is automatically loaded when the website gets loaded. So there will also be in this video there will also be a bonus part where I will be changing this effect and these animations into its hover effect, button hovered animation. Okay. In the first animation, as you can see, there is a border effect when I hovered over the button. In the second button, you can see there is a neon burst around the button, and in the third button, you can see there is a gradient fade in the button. When I hovered over the button, the color changes accordingly. So in this video, we will be coding these three buttons. So without wasting further more time, let's get started into coding part. So we have just learned how to create these 3 fantastic animated buttons with HTML and CSS. These buttons can be great addition to your web projects, adding that extra bit of interactivity and style. As you can see, in as a part of bonus part, I have added the second button. Animation of second button is of type hover type. Earlier it was type of automatic type. When the website gets loaded, the animation comes into effect automatically, but now it's hover type. When I will be hovering my cursor over the button, then the animation comes in active. So that's all in this video. Now it's your turn to get creative and experiment with different button animations and designs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to Lost Bug Coder for more web development content. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment with your thoughts and questions. Your feedback is highly appreciated. But before we go, again I want to remember you that you can access all these codes used in this tutorial on my Medium blog. Just check the video description for the link. Thank you for joining us today at Lost Bug Coder, and we will see you in the next video with some more animation tricks. So that's all. Have a good day and thank you. Bye bye.